So first go to the benefit plan. And we create a retirement savings. I think the plan wise is good, only employees doesn't have proper eligibility. To troubleshoot, let's try to spend some time. What is the logic here? Because this is causing the issue. It's not an issue actually. We'll try to understand who is eligible. Okay, I'm going to active employees. So first criteria, employee must be part of global modern services. Employee must be in active status. Employee must be salaried. If these three criteria met, then only the employee is eligible for the plan. Okay. Now let's see. We'll find an employee. If you would like to see like on the screen who are all eligible, you can select here. Go to benefit group eligibility, select view eligible workers. Workday is going to bring all the employees who have met this eligibility.
Okay.
From that, we will select an employee for testing. I can see only 3 employees are eligible for this rule. Okay, only 3 employees, which means if you can assign this plan any of these 3 members, they will get eligible. They are eligible, not for any other people. This is one of the important one to identify, sir. Now, if you want to understand why other people are not eligible, let's see. So people. So we have 3 criteria. Employee must be country USA. He is Pune. He is not eligible. Okay. Another way, go to find worker. So how to troubleshoot if you're not able to see the plan? This helps. Navigate to USA. Let's have this guy, Alex King. He is in USA. Rule 1 is he is active, not terminated. We can see if the employee terminated here and also here. So rule 2 also matching. Rule 3.
Also,
so are you clear like how to navigate to each object? So 3 objects we have. So 3 objects we have checked. Employee not made. That's why he is not eligible. Okay. So
okay.
only 3 people eligible for the plan. Fine. Now let's proceed. Can we proceed to create a new plan if you're good here? Healthcare plan is AMD. Let's call it as okay. Healthcare plan, we will call it as healthcare only. Healthcare. The provider MetLife. Who are all eligible for the plan? Employee plus spouse. Employee plus spouse plus children. Okay, these 3 people are eligible for this plan. And if employee is only enrolling into the plan, employee needs to be contributes $25. Okay, let's say $10 per month. If spouse, employee plus spouse, let's say $15 per month. If employee plus spouse plus children, let's say $20 per month. An employee has to contribute, but employer is contributing a flat amount. Let's say $20. Okay, simple one. All USA salaried employees are eligible. Okay. Now let's see how to create this one. First thing, I will check the product is already available in the system or not. Coverage type also have to create as healthcare. Okay, something called R-MATLAB, but we'll create our own. Create benefit provider. Let's go with 22. Plan will create with 22. Name, let's call it as MetLife. Not giving any further information. Now here we have employee, spouse plus children also eligible, right? In healthcare plan, when you're creating, additionally, you have to access two tasks. One is healthcare coverage types. And relationship types. So first task is a one-time task. Access the task, maintain relationship types.
That's the spelling.
Oh yeah, thank you. Access the task, maintain related person relationship. Okay. Here you will map all the required data. So let me give one example. Let's say relationship types I'm creating. Okay, I will go with a simple layman language. Spouse. These are Workday delivered ones. Spouse is nothing but spouse, or sometimes if a company is allowing ex-spouse, ex-partner also, you can map it here if required. Okay. I'm selecting spouse since that is already available. I don't know whether it will give an error message. And then restrict to relationship. Do you want to allow this person to be a beneficiary, to be a dependent, to be emergency contact, or three? I'm going to select both, all three, dependent, emergency contact. Would you like to restrict this relationship should be available only for specific country? Then assign country here. If I remove this value, which means this relationship is available to map in our employee coverage types or across all the countries. No restrictions at all. Any questions are on the screen? On this checkbox,
No question.
right? And this checkbox, some companies will give wellness. Wellness is nothing but gym kind of memberships, etc. Would you want to include this relationship? I mean, if any company wants to give the gym membership to the spouse, you can select it by default. Okay, this is optional.
Okay.
Like currently in the system, all the details are already available, sir. Child, spouse, husband, wife, etc., etc. Okay, so normally this is a one-time setup. If not, you require to create these ones. Okay, just I showed one sample.
Sure.
Once you create this task,